to another video. I am Nina Jasplay, and welcome back to the Moon Pack Legacy. I'm with Ash here, and I've just done a little bit of hunting. So you can see there's 2 up there, and then another one down there, and 2 more over there. And I've done 4 hunts overall. I think that's pretty good. So, let me just get one quick thing up and going. Sorry. Extra plan's better. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. So, today I was thinking we'd finish off the rest of the wolf packs to show our dominance and find ourselves a mate. We've got just about 9 minutes to do that, plus I'm hoping a hunt, so we've done 4. We need to get 4 more elk down. No, I just need to get 830 XP. Good. Experience. So, yeah, like 3 more elk, I would say. So, basically, we're probably going to wind up getting a mate, not this episode, but the next episode. But let's let you guys listen. That might be loud. Okay. So, here's the music, and you can howl. So, I'll let you guys listen, and, oh, okay, go time. Show these wolves what we've got. A minute ago. Oh, no. I want to be boss. I'm boss, back off. I'm boss, back off. I'm boss, back off. I'm boss, back off. Okay, just putting down to the lines. He's not going down that much, and I am. Yes, he did it. Leave now. No. He did it. Perfect. Let's go get the closest food. Anything around here that's not all good. Got a little hunt music on. Oh, just a coyote. Yeah, might as well. Looks like he was on the way to food anyways. Don't run me out close. Little coyote. 25, around 500 XP. So, yeah. This is the closest food over here, and let's just hope there's no predators. Oh my gosh. There we go. Sweet. Let's hope this isn't like, I think this is one of my homes. I want to knock down a little bit. So, yeah, it's pretty exciting. You're so slow, Ash. It's more so your stamina's bad. It goes strong, stamina, and then speed. So yeah, he's gonna finish this. Question is there anything on it that's really nearby? Because we could go with a little less food. Might as well. Ooh. This one just done. Like twice. And then I'll just. Okay. Is this one? I'm not gonna do elk hunting right now just because they're so easy to find. Oh, this is definitely not in my hands, but that will fill me up. Do I take the hunt? They're right there. Oh, I just thought that I was a bear. Okay. Thank you. I'm also a map actually. I need the map. So this way? Yep. And onward we go to take over the next path. Do you know, he's being a little slow, and there's a nice little pocket of trees right here. So actually, let's take a nice nap. What is there we go. Wait, how do I say sleep? Sleep is Z. Okay. Let's go for dusk. We will wake up just before night. Got a nice little booster. It's like got a 5-hour energy. Oh yeah, look at our sleep difference. I'm looking at like Wolf Quest Anniversary Edition. Like I was just watching an episode of it, and oh my god, the graphics on here suck compared to it. But my fitness kind of redoing the room and we're getting a new computer, and hopefully then I will be able to play Wolf Quest Anniversary Edition on it. But that's gonna be like 2020. Which, by the way, happy Hanukkah! Today's Hanukkah. It's the 22nd, by the way. Tomorrow, so we got 3 days to Christmas morning. That's kind of crazy. Actually, that is crazy. Let's do this. Okay. Oh my. Let's get these rows. Maybe the slopiest of them all. This one. That's going back. Where did it go? Why is it not here? I'm in the right place. Maybe they don't like being on what does. Interesting. Let's pop out of the territory, take another little rest for night, and then come back in. I guess that's never happened to me before. Huh. Okay, we'll just take a rest right under these trees right here. We'll sleep tonight. We want to just a little rest. Just waiting for them to come. So, yeah. We're just gonna defeat these little wolves that won't come out. Oh wow, he really runs in the night. I'll be surprised if we can even find him. And he better run than a coyote. hopefully in Wolf Quest Anniversary Edition, that would be the next legacy. Well, the next. Okay, let's do this. Already on them. Okay. Got the music, which means I'm stuck on a log. Probably not very good. Could have frozen. Well, I guess we're ending this episode with a mystery. I want to see you guys next time to figure out what's happening. I'll see you guys then. Bye.